Welcome back. In this video, we'll talk about the Doctor Portal. Doctor Portal is an innovative central hub for prescribing and monitoring your patients on AmblyoPlay. It was designed exclusively for you, eye care professionals, to allow you to prescribe AmblyoPlay seamlessly and to monitor your patient's compliance and progress remotely. With the Doctor Portal, you can prescribe AmblyoPlay vision therapy without any cost for you. Prescribing AmblyoPlay is simple and straightforward. Simply click the Prescribe button and enter the patient's name and contact email. Additionally, you choose the suggested duration of vision therapy, as well as mark when they should come back to the office for a follow-up examination. Normally, patients need to use AmblyoPlay for at least 6 months, depending on the age and severity of the vision problem. When you click Send Prescription, the patient receives the prescription directly to their email. This email will include all the information you provided, as well as a link to purchase a subscription. Once bought, we dispatch the box containing activation code and filter glasses. When they receive their box and activate their subscription, they become listed under the active patients on your main dashboard. But that's not all. The Doctor Portal also serves as a comprehensive monitoring tool, allowing you to track your patient's progress throughout their vision therapy journey. From a training efficiency chart to visual acuity improvements, you can access real-time data to gauge the effectiveness of AmblyoPlay for each patient. Additionally, the Doctor Portal provides valuable insights into patients' compliance with vision therapy. By monitoring usage patterns, you can identify any barriers to adherence and provide targeted support to keep patients on track towards achieving their vision goals. The Doctor Portal also includes an overview of all the commissions earned from the patients using AmblyoPlay. We will discuss more about this in the video about sales and marketing strategies. In the next video, however, we will jump right into how AmblyoPlay actually works.